Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video we are going to fix this PHP update recommended. Your site is running an insecure version of PHP which should be updated. Let us see the solution. Go to your cPanel and in the search bar type PHP. Next, you need to select Multi-PHP Manager. Under selected, tick mark the checkbox. As you can see here, my website is having PHP version 7.2. Update the PHP version that you want and click on the apply button. While selecting PHP version, do not select ALT version, select EA version. In my case, I am going to select PHP 7.4 EA version. And I am going to click on apply button. A pop-up message will appear saying that successfully applied PHP version to the selected domain. Next, go back to the WordPress and refresh the page. Boom, this is how we solve or fix PHP update recommended. Your site is running an insecure version of PHP which should be updated error. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.